free trade agreements, and actually those were 2 tariff lines where we got a better access. Then, of course, we don't want these free trade agreements to disappear in the drawer. So we really want them to be used, and having an advantage, a preferred access to market for both watches and chocolate and many other products. We do hope that this will increase. Also has to do because you are an amazing market. India with 1.4 billion consumers, with your economy growing, and we see also Minister Goyal this morning spoke about on how much people have been able to be lifted out of poverty and actually join middle class in India. And those are exactly the consumers we hope that at one point they will eat Swiss chocolate or buy a Swiss watch. And a Swiss watch, you have, of course, the very expensive ones, but then you have also those that are equally good in quality but more affordable.